just like.
dog.
All right, Wolf got it. Yeah, no, it was a real dog.
I hugged you and I like 2 days ago.
Yeah, no, that was different. Didn't make a star quite like my dog. Yeah, I looked like I had a pink eye for like 2 days straight. I was like, I swear it's not contagious. This is my dog. Anyway, let's do the next song. You do it, friend. Oh, I start this. Oh. Yeah. All right, guys, let's do this. Oh, yeah. I lost another friend. And it feels like I've been cheated on again. Yeah. Just only vertical, can be vertical. Didn't take me for a ride. Maybe you, me, and our coup d'etat would be able to decide. Did you love it all? Did you love it all? Yeah, you loved it all, but you laughed it off. 'Cause you dropped the ball when you hold it all. Did you know that you're not clear? You're not clear. And your love isn't clear. And your love isn't clear. It's a and I lost another friend. I'm not doing it again. Did you hide from me? Did you work for her? Did you fully concoct your lies? Is it worth the dress on your pretty girl if you have to cut all your ties? Did you love it all? Did you love it all? Yeah, you love it all, but you're full of fear 'cause you dropped the ball when you hold it all. Did you know that you're not clear? You're not clear. And your love isn't clear. And your love isn't clear. It's a and I lost another did you know that you're not clear? You're not clear. And your love isn't clear. Your love isn't your love and now I lost another friend. Thanks, guys. That was a downer. Let's pick it back up. Oh, I like this song. Okay, we just came out with this song. It's called Modern Midas. It's fun, I promise. How's it going? You having a good time? Good. And we have a music video for this. If you get bored, you want to just like surf there and get on. Thanks.
Broke ass bitches, put your hands up in the air.
Yeah, you guys suck. What you looking over here for? As if there's something over here that might interest you. We talking into. Let's try that again. Okay, let's just play that one more time. Sure, what happened. I psyched you though, huh? I almost sung this to you. Trying to do something else this time. Sorry. This is the technical difficulties of
Fucking
the
aliens,
song.
man. We're just trying to replicate what Radiohead did at Coachella. So it seems more, legitimate.
Like the real experience.
I don't know what happened there.
Should we try again?
Yeah, let's try
Let's do
again.
it.
Now I need everybody's hands up for real. Let's do it.
What you looking over here for? As if there's something over here that might interest you. We talking interest or a predatory issue. Cause there's a line for your $1 million intro. So baby, they can pour another glass of love for me. Yeah, I ain't ever gonna turn down. Blues is free. Inviting all that happen to your gun show. I think the shell